Hey guys, welcome to this Samsung guide, and here I'll detail how to make your lock screen change pictures. So if you want your lock screen to change pictures like this, you can see this is one of my lock screen wallpaper and you want it to change from one picture to the other. Is that? Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to make your lock screen change pictures, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. So go to settings. On settings page, you want to scroll down and select wallpaper. So go ahead and click on wallpaper and style. Then click on change wallpaper. Once you selected change wallpaper, you want to scroll down and click on gallery. Then once you selected gallery, select the wallpaper you want to set as your Samsung phone change wallpaper and scroll down. So here I want to set this as my Samsung phone change pictures. So you can select a maximum of 15. So just go ahead and select them. Then once you're done, click on the done button at the top right. You can also use this arrow to remove them like this. So remove the wallpaper you don't want to set as a Samsung phone lock screen picture. Then click on done. Then hang on. Then this is how it's gonna look. So if you see the number of items you selected, you can see I have 8 items selected. Then go ahead and click on done. Once you tap the done button, just hang on, you see change applied to lock screen. Once you see change applied to lock screen, just exit. Then when next your Samsung phone screen is locked, then you see the wallpaper like this on the lock screen. Then when next it locks again, then you see the wallpaper changes. So this is going to change to all the pictures you selected for the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So that is basically how to make your lock screen change pictures. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.